Hey everyone, welcome back to If you're a fan of motorcycles, speed, and everything in between, you're in the right place. My name is Rodop and today we have something special for you. We're diving deep into one of the most anticipated releases for the 2025 motorcycle season, the all-new Honda CB450N. Before we get into all the exciting details, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest bikes, gear, and more. Alright, let's get started. In the world of motorcycles, Honda has consistently been at the forefront of innovation, and the 2025 CB450N is a perfect example of that. This bike is a major step forward for Honda, bridging the gap between performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. The CB450N is designed for the modern rider, offering the kind of versatility that makes it perfect for both new enthusiasts and experienced motorcyclists alike. Let's talk about why this bike is generating so much buzz. The CB450N brings back the spirit of the classic naked sport bike, while incorporating a level of sophistication and technology that you would expect from a 2025 model. The unique design, the upgraded features, and the top-tier performance specs all come together to create a bike that stands out in the crowded market of mid-range motorcycles. First up, the heart of any motorcycle, the engine. The 2025 Honda CB450N is powered by a 450cc parallel twin engine. It strikes the perfect balance between power and efficiency, delivering an impressive amount of torque and top-end performance. This engine is tuned to provide a smooth, predictable riding acceleration when you want it. The 450cc engine is an upgrade from previous, smaller displacement models, giving it more mid-range power without sacrificing the overall lightweight design that makes the bike agile and fun to ride. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating tight city streets, the CB450CN provides a power band that keeps things exciting, yet manageable. Speaking of performance, Honda has ensured that this bike excels not only in terms of power but also in handling. The CB450N features a refined chassis with enhanced suspension components that make cornering a breeze. The bike is incredibly responsive, allowing for precise control on both twisty backroads and open highways. If you're looking for a ride that balances performance with comfort, this is where Honda really shines. Let's dive deeper into the tech under the hood. The 2025 CB450DN features a DOHC liquid-cooled engine setup designed for maximum durability and smooth power delivery. With a compression ratio designed for high-performance riding, this engine gives you that perfect blend of everyday usability and high-speed thrills. It's a great entry-level platform for riders looking to step into the mid-range class. Add to that the 6-speed gearbox, and the CB450N ensures that you're always in the right gear for any scenario. The power delivery is linear with just enough aggression when you open the throttle. Moving on to design, this is a Honda, so you already know it's going to look good. The 2025 CB450N is a bold, muscular motorcycle with clean lines and a modern aesthetic. It has a minimalist yet aggressive stance that will turn heads on the street. From the slim sculpted fuel tank to the compact tail section, the design of this bike screams performance. The front end features a striking LED headlamp which gives the CB450N an intimidating look, especially when it's on the move. Out of the standout features of this motorcycle is the naked bike styling. For those who love that stripped-down, raw look, the CB450N delivers just that. It doesn't rely on unnecessary fairings or bodywork to mask its true form. The frame is exposed, allowing you to appreciate the solid construction and compact design that makes this bike so agile. As for ergonomics, the 2025 CB450N strikes an excellent balance. Honda has designed it to accommodate riders of all sizes. The seat height is set at a manageable level for most riders, with a comfortable upright riding position that works well for both city commutes and longer rides. The handlebars are positioned to provide a relaxed riding posture, so even if you're tackling twisty roads or doing a bit of touring, you won't feel overly strained. The foot pegs are strategically placed for a natural position that helps reduce fatigue, even on longer rides. All in all, the CB450N is designed with ergonomics that cater to a wide range of riders, whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade to something a bit sportier. Now let's talk about how the Honda CB450 rides, and it's safe to say this bike is a joy to handle. Honda has equipped the CB450 with an upgraded suspension system to provide exceptional stability and comfort on various surfaces. It features a 40 Nm telescopic fork in the front and twin shock absorbers in the rear. These components work together to offer a smooth ride even on bumpy or uneven roads. The suspension setup is fully adjustable, which means you can fine-tune it based on your weight, riding style, and road conditions. Whether you're riding solo or with a passenger, the CB450N gives you the ability to adapt the suspension to your needs. In addition, the bike's handling is incredibly precise. The chassis is light and responsive, which means it feels nimble when you're weaving through traffic or taking tight corners. The bike feels stable at high speeds, and the confidence it inspires in the rider is hard to beat. Plus, with the weight of the bike being kept low and centered, the overall handling is much more intuitive compared to some of its competitors in this segment. Next up, let's take a look at the braking system of the 2025 CB450N. Honda knows how important stopping power is, and the bike comes equipped with dual front disc brakes and a single rear disc, making sure that you can come to a stop quickly and confidently. The CB450N also features a dual-channel ABS system, which provides added security in case you ever need to prevent the wheels from locking up, especially in wet or slippery conditions. Safety is always a priority for Honda, and they've integrated several features that make this bike both fun and safe to ride. The 2025 CB450N comes with advanced traction control, which helps maintain grip in low traction situations. Whether you're accelerating on wet roads or trying to tackle a curve in challenging conditions, the traction control system steps in to help keep you in control. Now, let's move on to the tech side of things, because Honda has truly packed some impressive features into this bike. First, there's a fully digital LCD display that keeps track of all the important information you need at a glance. Speed, fuel level, engine temperature, and trip details are all shown clearly, so you're never left guessing about your bike's status. The display is large, easy to read, and offers multiple customization options. Another standout feature is Honda's advanced ride-by-wire throttle system. This technology allows for more precise throttle control, giving you smoother power delivery and more responsive acceleration. Along with this, the bike's ride modes are selectable, allowing you to choose between different performance settings depending on the riding conditions. Additionally, the CB450N comes with smartphone connectivity, which allows you to pair your phone with the bike's system. This feature enables navigation, call handling, and music control directly through the display, making it a great feature for tech-savvy riders who want to stay connected while on the go. Alright, so now we know all about the bike, let's talk about one of the most important aspects for any rider, the price. The 2025 Honda CB450N is expected to retail at around $6,500, which makes it a great value in the mid-range motorcycle market. For that price, you're getting a bike that offers a lot of performance, technology, and design for your money. Keep in mind that prices may vary slightly depending on your region, and there may be some additional fees for options like custom colors or accessories. The CB450N is expected to hit dealerships in early 2025, so if you're looking to get your hands on one, it's a good idea to keep an eye out for release dates in your area. Alright folks, that wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Honda CB450N. What do you think? Does it live up to the hype? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you're as excited about this bike as I am, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more in-depth reviews, news, and updates on the latest motorcycles hitting the market. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, ride safe and keep the rubber side down. See you in the next one.